So when I'm going to St. Mary Falls and Virginia Falls,
And
that's...
Bering.
Hey everyone, we are out here Glacier National Park and today we are hiking the epic 3 Waterfall Trail. We are starting at Sun Point and trust me, this is the hike you want to follow. First up, we have arrived at Bering Falls, just a short walk from the trailhead. It's a hidden gem, the perfect spot to take a moment, feel the mist, and hear the peaceful roar of the water. Look at this view. The water is crystal clear and the sound is so relaxing. You could honestly just sit here all day. Ask mommy. Glacier National Park truly has some of the most incredible natural beauty I have ever seen. Alright, let's hit the trail again. We have on our way to St. Mary Falls and it's only short walk from here. Yeah, this is the St. Mary. Here it is, St. Mary Falls. The water is rushing down with so much power. It is one of the most iconic spots in the park. This next section is a bit of climb, but the view keeps getting better. We are heading to our final stop, Virginia Falls. And here it is, Virginia Falls. After a bit of effort to get here, the view is more than worth it. The waterfall drops with such a force, and the scenery around is just unreal. 3 waterfalls, each one more breathtaking than the last. If you are ever in Glacier, the 3 waterfall trail is a must do. Make sure to hit the follow button for more epic adventure and we will see you on the next one.